Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to unbox and review a watch from the Filippo Loreti watch company. As a collaboration, they have sent me a watch of my choice in exchange for this YouTube video and a post on my Instagram. With that being said, let's go ahead and get started. So as you can see, I've already partially opened the box. But if you ever order a watch from this company, this is what you'll see. Before we get into this, when I first got this package, I actually had some trouble getting the packaging off, so that explains how good the packaging is. So we can set this part aside, and we can look at this. So there's this tab here you can pull out, and this box opens just like this. And in here you can see a note. Pause now if you want extra time to read this. And in this box, we actually have another box. So we can slide this box out. And then with this one, you just slide this piece off. So as you can see, they have their company name, this part here, and then this is the name of the watch. A very nice box. So with this box, you can lift this top part off. And in here you can see the watch. So this watch is the Okeanos Green Steel Link watch. It is $159 on their website. There is a link to this watch in the description. So with this part, there are two tabs on the side. You can lift up. Before we get into this part, there's some more stuff in here. So right on top here, there is a nice cleaning cloth, again with their logo on it. I like how they put their logo on pretty much everything. And also in here, you can see there are some extra links if you want to make it longer. And then this here is the instructions. Pause to read. Now for the actual watch. So if you want to set the time, there is this plastic tab here. You can pull that out, and you can turn this dial and set the time. And then when you're done, you can push it in. Now to get the watch out, you can flip it over. You can see again is their logo. You can squeeze or press these two buttons or tabs, and again is their logo. Now you can lift it up a little bit, and under the watch, I'll zoom in a little bit, there are these two tabs there. You want to squeeze both of those at the same time, and then you can pull this part out. Let's see if I can do that. Almost. There we go. And it comes out just like that. That's what the two tabs look like. And now you can slide this part through and gently pull it out. You can pull it straight up like this. And there we have it. Now to put it back together, I'm going to squeeze the two tabs again. There we go, got it. And it just snaps in place. So this outer ring here, this dial, you can actually rotate this way. I'm not going to do that, but it only rotates one way. I'm not sure what that's for or what it does. So overall, I'm very happy with the looks of this. I really like this green color. This green color is actually why I picked this one out. But if I put this on my wrist and close it up, you can probably see that it's a bit too big. But I do really like this watch. Really like the colors of it. But if we look here, and I'm going to zoom in, you can see there's some arrows there. The same with the other side too. I believe those are there so you can actually take these parts out if you want to like make it shorter. And then you can use the extra pieces here if you want to make it longer. And if we look here, that is the goddess of the sea, or the god of the sea, I believe. So, with all that being said, if any of you are looking into getting a watch, I recommend you check out Filippo Loreti. In the description, there is a link. You can go to that link, and you can use code Samuel S15, all caps, no spaces, and you can get 15% off of your order. So huge thank you to the Filippo Loreti Watch Company for doing this collaboration with me and making this video possible. With that being said, that will be it. Bye.